website so that he could continue this campaign against the pro-life movement. I mean, this is the #1 sellout in the United States.
You remember when he was the keynote speaker at the Texans United for Life banquet, I sat up on the dais with him. My wife and daughter sat. My daughter was about 5 or 6 at the time. I had a long conversation with him. He was the keynote speaker there.
He was great.
Yeah. This man sold us out, no different than Rick Warren or this fool Jim Wallace or all these other people that have just completely sold out. But here's important.
I don't get it.
They didn't sell us out. They sold out God.
That's it. And he does have issues with God. He's got issues with his daddy. Yeah. He's got, obviously, some psychological problems. But remember, last year on this show, he was calling Obama pro-life.
Right.
Today in this letter, he said that George Tiller was killed because he dared to protect women's health. He's no longer pro-life. You cannot put Frankie Schaefer in the classification as pro-life.
And like I said, his father, you know, I hate to say it, you're probably, our attitude probably should be, thank God his father is dead to not live and see this.
Because he'd kill him.
Right. But again, it's the Rick Warren, it's the Jim Wallaces. You can go down the line. There's a ton of these guys. Yeah. And we talked about it a year or so ago when all this stuff started first coming up because of Obama, which is the one thing that made all this come up.
Right.
Is that this is good because it's showing us, it's separating the sheep from the goats. That's what this is doing. Right. And it's showing us who we can count on and who we can't. And
move out of the way.
You know, my thinking is that we're saying, okay, these guys sold out. My thinking is they were never on our side to begin with. Mm-hmm. They said what they thought they needed to say to get donations in, to become, to have the ministries that they have, to have the financial backing that they have, to have all the perks that go along with these big ministries. They said what they needed to say. Now that all that stuff is in place, they don't need it anymore. Mm-hmm. And so they can follow their new Messiah, which is Barack Obama. And I guarantee you that's what he is. This is a cult. I don't care what anybody says. The Obamanistas fit the classic definition of a cult. Right. And that's what it is. That's what a
totalitarian regime.
Yeah, it's a totalitarian cult. They're Nazis. Mm-hmm. Any way you look at it, that's what they are.
He's going to add your name now.
Good. Let him at it. Let him at it.
Bring it on.
We didn't even get to half the stuff we wanted to get to. We had so much this month. But anyway, it's a good show. Thanks, guys. That's it for now. Until next month, remember, Life Dynamics is not here to put up a good fight. We're here to win, because winning is how the killing stops. We'll see you in December.